Hi, I am King Silva and I am the founder of Aniwa Hair Wigs. Our business idea is to provide high quality and natural looking wigs for people experiencing hair loss. Many people suffer from alopecia and other illnesses. Because of this, they feel insecure and lost confidence. Our target audience is not only people who love fashion and cosplay, but most important, individuals who have medical condition that has caused hair loss. They need a solution that is comfortable, safe, and affordable. Our unique selling proposition is that we focus on comfort, natural appearance, and emotional support. We are not just selling wigs for style. We are helping people to restore their confidence and feel whole again. We are looking for investors, partners to help us lower the cost of medical wigs for Filipinos. Help us give these people back their confidence, one strand at a time. Aniwa Hair is more than a business. It is a brand that gives hope and brings back confidence.